Ignatius of Antioch, also known as Ignatius Theophorus or Ignatius of Syria, was a prominent figure in the early Christian church. He was born around the year 35 in the Roman province of Syria, and he was likely raised in a Christian household. Ignatius was ordained as the Bishop of Antioch, a major city in Syria, around the year 70. As bishop, Ignatius played a key role in the spread of Christianity in the region. He was known for his strong leadership and his unwavering commitment to the teachings of Christ. Ignatius was also active in the wider Christian community, corresponded with other Christian leaders, and worked to promote unity and cooperation among the various Christian groups. However, Ignatius faced significant challenges and persecution during his lifetime. He was arrested and imprisoned during the reign of the Roman Emperor Trajan, who was known for his efforts to suppress the spread of Christianity. While in prison, Ignatius wrote a series of letters to various Christian communities, in which he exhorted them to remain faithful to the teachings of Christ and to avoid compromise with the Roman authorities. These letters, which survive to this day, provide valuable insight into the early Christian church and the challenges it faced. Despite the difficulties he faced, Ignatius remained steadfast in his faith. He was eventually brought to Rome to be executed, and he was martyred around the year 107. His remains were later brought back to Antioch and interred in the city's cathedral. Ignatius is remembered as a courageous and faithful servant of Christ, and his writings continue to be studied and revered by Christians around the world.